In this video, I'll show you how to turn a PDF into audio using ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and log in to your account. Depending on the current tools available, use Reader, Studio, or another supported document-to-audio workflow. Next, prepare the PDF you want to convert. Make sure the document contains readable text and that you have the right to use the content. Upload the PDF through the appropriate ElevenLabs interface. The platform will process the document and extract the text. Once the content is available, choose an AI voice that matches your listening preference. You can select a voice that sounds professional, conversational, calm, or suitable for the type of document you're using. Now start the audio generation or playback process. ElevenLabs will convert the written content into spoken audio. Listen to the result and check whether headings, paragraphs, names, and technical terms are pronounced correctly. If you are using Studio or another editing workflow, you may be able to organize the content into sections and make adjustments before producing the final audio. When everything sounds good, use the available export or listening options. And that's how you can turn a PDF into audio with ElevenLabs and make written documents easier to consume in an audio format.